Tonight, you're here to reconnect with something many of us forget: your own voice, your inner worth, your self-love. This isn't about hype or pretending. It's about rewiring the quiet, constant voice in your head that's been too hard on you for far too long. You don't need to believe every word right now. You just need to listen. Let the words land. Let the repetition begin to work. Slowly, gently, without pressure. Let's begin. Start by getting comfortable. Lie down or sit in a position that feels supportive. Close your eyes gently. Let your arms rest at your sides. Release any grip in your hands. Let's scan your body from top to bottom. Not to judge, but to bring attention and allow release. Start at the top of your head. Feel the weight of your skull resting against the surface beneath you. Soften your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Release the muscles around your eyes. Now your neck and shoulders. Notice how much they carry. You don't have to hold it all right now. Let your shoulders drop. Bring attention to your arms, your elbows, your wrists, your fingers. Let them fall heavy and relaxed. Now your chest. No need to change your breathing. Just notice it. Let the rise and fall become gentle and effortless. Drop into your belly. Let it soften and release any tension. You don't have to hold your stomach in. This space is safe. You can let go. Now your hips, your lower back. Notice how you're being supported. Let gravity hold you. Move to your legs, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and finally your feet. Take one more deep breath in and exhale fully. Let the body melt into stillness. Let your mind begin to settle. Imagine yourself standing in a quiet room, wrapped in soft light. There's a full-length mirror in front of you. You step forward and look into your eyes. You see everything you've been through, and the fact that you're still here, still breathing, still growing. There's strength in that, even if you forget it, even if others overlook it. In the reflection, your face softens, not because you've earned kindness, but because you deserve it, unconditionally. This is the version of you that doesn't chase approval. This version already knows you're enough. Let's give that voice more space tonight. Now, we begin. You can repeat these words silently, or simply listen and absorb. Don't try to believe them. Just let them surround you. Breathe in slowly and exhale. I am worthy of love and respect. I don't need to earn my value. I already have it. I am allowed to exist exactly as I am. I no longer shrink myself to be accepted. My imperfections do not define my worth. I release the idea that I must constantly improve to be enough. I am whole, even while healing. I accept the parts of me that feel messy, emotional, or unsure. I allow myself to take up space. I belong, without needing to prove anything. I am learning to treat myself with gentleness. I forgive myself for past mistakes. I speak to myself the way I would speak to someone I love. It is safe to show myself kindness. I deserve patience, especially from myself. I release the pressure to be perfect. My inner critic does not get the final word. I can be both growing and lovable. I give myself permission to rest. I allow peace to replace judgment. My voice matters. I trust myself more each day. I am strong, even when I feel uncertain. I have overcome more than I give myself credit for. I am allowed to succeed. I believe in my ability to figure things out. I am becoming more confident by being true to myself. I don't need external validation to feel good. I choose growth over fear. My presence is powerful, even when I am quiet. I release the need to compare myself to others. I am not behind. I am on my own path. I let go of what others think of me. I am not responsible for other people's expectations. I release shame and allow healing to take its place. I am not too much. I am not too little. I let go of the voice that says I'm not good enough. I no longer abandon myself to be liked. I am free from the need to prove my worth. I choose self-respect over self-doubt. I am safe in my body. I create calm from within. I can be soft and strong at the same time. I return to myself when the world feels loud. I am grounded, centered, and supported. I breathe in safety. I exhale pressure. My nervous system is learning to feel safe. I release urgency and embrace presence. I am safe to be seen. I am safe to rest. Notice how your body feels now. You don't need to think or try. Just be here, still, supported. You've just spoken to yourself in a new way, a kinder way, a clearer way. You've planted seeds tonight, and even if they feel small, they matter. Come back to this whenever you forget. You are allowed to feel confident. You are allowed to love yourself. You are allowed to rest.